Input. Talk about time travel and what would be needed to time travel. Let's talk about the basic human beliefs of time travel first. The concept of time travel has been a topic of debate among scientists and science fiction enthusiasts for decades. The idea of traveling through time, whether it be to the past or future, raises many questions about the nature of time and the laws of physics. While there is currently no scientific evidence that proves time travel is possible, there are several theories and hypotheses that suggest it may be a possibility in the future. One of the most popular theories that supports the possibility of time travel is Einstein's theory of general relativity. This theory states that time is affected by gravity and that massive objects can cause time to slow down in their vicinity. This is known as time dilation. For example, an astronaut orbiting a black hole would experience time differently than someone on Earth due to the intense gravitational pull of the black hole. Another theory that supports the possibility of time travel is the concept of wormholes. Wormholes are hypothetical shortcuts through spacetime that could potentially allow for faster-than-light travel. This means that a spacecraft could enter a wormhole and come out on the other side, effectively traveling through time. However, it should be noted that wormholes have not been proven to exist, and if they do exist, they would likely be highly unstable and difficult to navigate. Additionally, there are also theories that suggest that time travel may be possible through the manipulation of quantum physics. For example, the concept of quantum entanglement, in which two particles can become connected in such a way that the state of one particle affects the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. This idea leads to the theory that if two particles could be entangled in such a way that one particle is in the past and the other is in the future, it would be possible to manipulate the present by interacting with the past. Now this is what I think about time travel. One possible solution for time travel that is not commonly discussed is the use of dark energy. Dark energy is a hypothetical form of energy that is thought to make up approximately 68% of the universe. It is believed to be responsible for the acceleration of the expansion of the universe and has been observed through its effects on the cosmic microwave background radiation and the large-scale structure of the universe. One potential theory is that if we can harness the power of dark energy, we may be able to manipulate spacetime and travel through time. This would involve creating a device or machine that can harness the energy of dark energy and use it to create a warp in spacetime. One possible method for harnessing dark energy could involve the use of a particle accelerator. A particle accelerator is a machine that accelerates subatomic particles to high energies, and it is currently used in a number of scientific experiments. By accelerating particles to a high enough energy, it may be possible to create a small amount of dark energy, which could then be harnessed and used to create a warp in spacetime. Another method could be the use of a large gravitational field, such as a black hole or neutron star, to distort spacetime and create a wormhole. This would allow a spacecraft to pass through the wormhole and emerge on the other side at a different point in spacetime. There have been several people who have claimed to have experienced time travel, but these claims are generally not considered to be credible by the scientific community. The majority of these claims are based on personal experiences and are difficult to verify. Additionally, many of the people who claim to have experienced time travel have backgrounds in science fiction or have an interest in the topic, which raises questions about the credibility of their claims. There are also a number of conspiracy theories surrounding time travel, some of which involve secret government experiments or the involvement of extraterrestrial beings. One example is the Philadelphia experiment, a conspiracy theory that claims that the U.S. Navy conducted an experiment in 1943 that rendered a ship invisible and caused it to travel through time. However, there is no credible evidence to support this theory, and the majority of scientists consider it to be a hoax. Another example is the Montauk Project, which is a conspiracy theory that states that the U.S. government conducted secret experiments in time travel and mind control at a military base in Montauk, New York. This theory is also not supported by any credible evidence and is considered to be a hoax. There are also several claims that some people have been kidnapped by aliens and taken through time and space. But again, these claims are not supported by any credible evidence and are considered to be hoaxes. It is important to note that the majority of these claims and conspiracy theories are not supported by any credible scientific evidence and are generally considered to be hoaxes or science fiction. While the concept of time travel is a fascinating topic, it is important to approach claims of time travel with a critical and skeptical mindset and to consider the sources of the information. One of the most intriguing possibilities of time travel is the ability to prevent historical disasters and change the course of history for the better. For example, imagine being able to travel back in time and prevent the assassination of Abraham Lincoln, which could have prevented the Civil War and saved countless lives. Similarly, traveling back in time to prevent the outbreak of World War II or the September 11th terrorist attacks could have prevented the deaths of millions of people and altered the course of history. Another potential benefit of time travel is the ability to witness and learn from historical events. Imagine being able to travel back in time and witness the signing of the Declaration of Independence, the construction of the pyramids, or the first moon landing. This would not only be an incredible experience for the time traveler, but it would also provide valuable insights and knowledge that could be used to improve our present and future. Time travel could also have practical applications in the field of medicine. Imagine being able to travel back in time and observe the spread of a disease, such as the bubonic plague, in order to better understand how it spreads and how it can be prevented. This could be used to prevent the outbreak of future pandemics and save countless lives. Additionally, traveling back in time to observe the development of medical treatments and procedures could help us to improve our present and future treatments. With the ongoing research and advancements in technology, such as particle accelerators, gravitational physics, and quantum mechanics, are bringing us closer to understanding the intricacies of time and space. As our understanding of physics develops, we may be able to harness the power of dark energy, wormholes, or quantum entanglement to achieve time travel. It is clear that we are on the route to understanding time travel. And although it may not happen in the near future, it is a possibility that we can't discard. The possibilities that time travel can bring to humanity are endless and exciting. Only time will tell if we will achieve this incredible feat.